How to add photos to album on Facebook business page. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add photos to album on Facebook business page. Now to do so, first open up the Facebook app, and here you can see I'm logged into my profile. Now I'll switch to my page here. Now to do so, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and you can see the option to switch here to the page. I'll just tap on it and you can see it's switched. Now here you can see I'm switched to my business page here. Now to add photo to album, what you want to do is head over to the profile and then scroll down below to photos, and once on photos you can see the option here and you can see my how to apps album right here. Now open up the album and tap on add photos and select the photo that you want to upload and tap on next and then simply post it. This way you can add photos on Facebook business page to its album. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.